And this is your daily dose of internet. A slow-moving avalanche moved through a parking lot in Russia. Nobody got hurt, but many of the cars were damaged from the weight of the snow.
That's weird.
This child jumped on a luggage conveyor belt at an airport and went for the ride of his life. This cat was chasing this mouse when it totally lost track of it. Here's how much money each country has spent on their military throughout the years. You can really see the impact that World War II had on military spending. This is what it's like to go swimming with mobile arrays. Thanks for this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Daily dose of internet. This woman walked through the main entrance into Area 51, and nobody really cared.
Don't do it! Oh, there we go.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Yep, she's just going. Good luck!
She might make it to the other gate on the other side.
Oh my god.
Law enforcement was standing right there and watched her do it. The reason why security isn't too worried is because there's 10 miles of empty space between the main gate and Area 51.
Nobody ever heard noise like that before.
This employee at Disneyland is struggling to hold on to these balloons. This homeless man lost his dog, but was recently reunited.
Hey, Bobby! Him don't love his daddy. 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 Oh, that's my boy. That's my little boy. That's a time.
The Google Maps car was driving in Argentina when it captured this unfortunate event. This little turtle jumped on the back of this bigger turtle. Here's a cuttlefish changing its colors in a mesmerizing fashion.
It's a great day. Chick-fil-A, my name is JJ. How can I serve you?
I'm gonna serve myself, thank you.
Please get back in the car. You can't. Excuse me. You can't do
Here,
that. Get
grab the
back in
saucer.
your car. It's not my pleasure. Hey, oh, some guys out here.
Get in.
Not in the car.
Go.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Amazingly, nobody got hurt.
So if your kitten's being really annoying, this is what you do. Just roll it up in a little ball. He likes it. He doesn't mind.
This person rode their bike on the train and crashed and broke a window. This is called a sea angel, which is a type of slug that can swim deep underwater. This dog is a local celebrity in Georgia because it always barks at traffic when children need to cross the street. Here's a cool graph showing the most populated cities in the world.
Good morning, Pebbles. Hi. Good morning. Hi. I want to cuddle? Hi, good morning.
This is called a wonderpuss, and the reason why it's so special is because it can inflate and deflate its body like a balloon. Here's a dog with a very unhappy and unsatisfied face. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and